Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBird143. In this video, I will show you how to claim or withdraw PF amount. Open the browser. Better to use Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome for better site appearance. In Google search, please type EPFO and enter. In this, please click on EPF official website. In EPF portal, come to services and please select for employees. Scroll down under services section, click on member UAN or online service. Enter the UAN number, enter the password, and also enter the captcha, which is case sensitive. After the click on sign in. In this, come to online services. Please select claim under the drop down list. Here first we need to verify our bank account. We'll confirm our bank account. Scroll down and click on proceed for online claim. Here I'm selecting PF advance. Select the service in which you are working, purpose for which advance is required. I'm selecting COVID-19. Here we need to enter the amount of advance required. I'm entering 14,000. After that we need to enter the employee address, that is our address. Also we need to upload the scanned copy of our checkbook or passbook. Before that, make sure that the check or passbook file must be in JPG format and size of minimum 100 KB and maximum of 500 KB. After that, here please check in the box, click on get Aadhaar OTP, and OTP will be sent to your Aadhaar linked mobile number. Enter OTP and click on validate OTP and submit claim form. Online claim request is submitting at the portal and we will get OTP has been verified, eKYC updated, and P of advance claim form submitted successfully on unified portal. And we can view the claim details. We can also download this. Like this, we can claim or withdraw PF amount from our Provident Fund account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITBird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.